The long-awaited leaks of the DJI Osmo 360 have finally surfaced, giving us our first real glimpse at this highly anticipated device. After months of speculation based on FCC filings and technical drawings, an actual photo of the camera has now been revealed. The image, which shows the Osmo 360 being tested alongside the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and an Insta360, was initially shared by Igor Bogovan X and later picked up by Jasper Ellens, two well-known sources renowned for their accuracy in tech leaks. According to Ellens, the device looks promising, albeit slightly unconventional in design. He even raises an interesting question: could a bulkier form factor actually improve the usability of 360 cameras? While opinions on that remain divided, one thing is certain: we won't have to wait much longer to find out. The leaked images and FCC drawings give us some intriguing insights into what the DJI Osmo 360 might offer. From what we can see, the camera appears to be lightweight, durable, and weatherproof, making it an ideal choice for extreme athletes, travelers, and content creators who need a rugged device. Its compact size also suggests that it could be easily mounted on a drone, opening up possibilities for breathtaking aerial 360-degree shots. Given DJI's strong reputation for delivering smooth, high-quality footage, it's safe to assume that the Osmo 360 will come equipped with advanced stabilization technology. Whether you're running, driving, or flying, the footage is expected to remain steady and professional-looking, ensuring top-tier image quality in any scenario. Beyond stabilization, rumors point to the inclusion of smart AI-driven features that could elevate the user experience. Features like automatic tracking, similar to what we've seen in the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, could make capturing dynamic shots effortless. Scene recognition and intuitive editing tools may also be on board, allowing users to fine-tune their footage with minimal manual effort. That wraps up everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo 360 based on the latest leaks and insider information. While nothing is officially confirmed yet, the details we've seen so far paint an exciting picture of what could be one of the most versatile 360-degree cameras on the market. From its rugged, travel-friendly design to its rumored AI features and seamless connectivity, the Osmo 360 seems to be shaping up as a serious contender in the action camera space. Whether you're a filmmaker looking to create immersive content, an adventurer capturing stunning landscapes, or an extreme sports enthusiast documenting high adrenaline moments, this device could be an essential addition to your creative toolkit. As always, we'll be following every new development closely and keeping you updated on the latest leaks, announcements, and potential release dates. If you don't want to miss out on any updates, make sure to stay tuned. The DJI Osmo 360 could be just around the corner, and we can't wait to see what it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.